National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Baldwin County and southwest Alabama until 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. 59 a.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds over 60 miles per hour was located 5 miles northwest of Orange Beach or 4 miles east of Bossy Core and moving north at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Summerdale, Foley, Alberta. Heavy rainfall is also occurring with these storms, which may produce flooding near creeks and in poor drainage areas. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Baldwin County, Alabama. The National Weather